Hey, hi everyone. Hello. Welcome to Rajan AI Pulse. And today I'm going to tell you something wonderful, which will be helpful for all the content creator. So if you are a content creator, I will tell you a formula which when you use, you can create any imaginative audio, video. Okay, but today I will stick only on the audio part. But before that, I will tell you the framework which you should be using to create any content. Okay, so the framework which I'm telling helps you to generate a content in the format or generate the prompt in the format that helps you to get that powerful content. So that format is known as slide format. Okay, so I'll tell you what this slide format is. Let me open one notepad maybe. So in the slide format, what do you have? What do you have in the slide format? So that how do you make the slide format and what does it mean? The slide format means where S stands for your, okay, I need to plug on the battery, charger, laptop charger. Just give me a second. Yeah, so I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this formula, which is known as slide formula. So what does slide mean here? The slide, the S stand for your subject, right? What is the subject? For example, your subject is um, I a cow skiing on Himalayas. Himalayas. Okay, so the cow is skiing on Himalayas, and what is the what is L here? What is L here? Right? L tells about lighting. Lighting means how is the light condition there? Whether it's a daytime, it's a afternoon, it's a dawn, it's a dusk. So by that, it will image will come to know. AI will come to know what is the lighting condition. So you can define uh, daytime, daytime, and then you define, or say you can say, yeah, daytime is fine for now. Then I, what is I? I is intent here, right? What is intent? So intent stands for what is the intent? What do you want to do? What is the intention you want to do, right? Like, do you want to make a cinematic photography? Do you want to make a film grade photography? What do you want to do? So that is your intent. So say cinematic, okay? And then your D is details, and D stands for details. Now you will give the details that all the details, right? All the details related to how do you want it to be. Do you want to be ultra realistic? Do you want to be shallow depth or large depth? All those details. So um, I want image to be ultra realistic with shallow depth of field, and this is a photographic term. Okay, and I'm just giving this, and I'm not asking to create the entire prompt. We'll take help of ChatGPT and creators find good prompt based on this formula. E is your environment, right? Environment. So how is the environment like? So it's a cold, cold yet sunny day, sunny day, and with lot of pine trees around and stones in between the skiing path, stones in between. Okay, now with this framework, I'm going to give this thing to Copilot. Okay, so say I create a new chat. I create a new chat and I ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. Create a prompt for me, keeping in mind slide formula for content creation. Okay, I want to create a, a an image which shows which shows a energetic cow skiing on Himalayas and eating ice cream ice cream eating ice cream while skiing. Okay, now it will give a prompt. Create a prompt. Okay, I'll give a create a prompt for generating image. So I've given this. Now I've just given small things, right? One slide what you want, and I want, so it started creating image. It got confused with the word that, create a prompt for generating image, keeping in mind. So let's see what Copilot comes up with, and then I will also give the same prompt in, maybe I will change it a bit, and in new chat, let me ask him to only generate a, since I did create a prompt for generating image, keeping in mind, so I started generating image, right? Okay, so it is giving that, let it give, but I will create a new chat, and I will ask this same thing. Create a prompt keeping in mind I just need prompt and not image. Act. So I specified him, since it got confused with that about the image, so I just specified him just need a prompt, not image. Okay, so it gives, see the detail it has given. Finally combined prompt, right? With on this thing slide format it has given, and final combined prompt it has given like this. So let me take this prompt now. Okay, and we'll see the difference between what is generated by this prompt. See, this is what you see. Not bad, right? Cow is eating ice cream, generating and creating and skiing, right? With rocks, pine trees around on Himalayas, right? Wonderful, wonderful result from ChatGPT as well. Now let's see the prompt which it gave and what it generates, right? Generate the image for the combined prompt you give. So it is generating image now based on the combined prompt it gave. Let's see what is the outcome. The previous outcome was also really good, and I hope this outcome will also be good. So let's see what chat GPT is, and then we'll go to the tool which I told, the tool which I suggested, like Leonardo. Like, I will open it. Leonardo AI. Just searching it here, and I click on Leonardo, till the time that happens, I will open this tool and it, okay, it opened something else, it seems. Yeah. Okay, so I go to this here. Okay, let's go to this Leonardo, this AI, and you can log in and you type a prompt. The same prompt which you got from the command prompt which you got from Copilot, and you click on generate. Okay, and you have clicked on generate. Now it is okay, it's asking for sign up again. Let me sign up again, sign in again maybe. So okay, okay, now it is generating the image, right? So it is generating that image, and I think it is coming up with this image. Okay, and this you can see I generated yesterday. I will also tell you about it, but this is what it gave. Cow skied fast, and it is having an ice cream cone in his mouth, and Himalayas in backdrop with pine trees, etc. Right? And let me see the result of ChatGPT as well. Yeah, see this? Isn't it wonderful? I like this more somehow, the one which is given by ChatGPT. It's more cool as compared to uh, what we have here. So this is cow image from GPT. Okay, and the other one which I got from Leonardo is this. Not that great, I would say. Somehow it has not given a great result, but it can give a great result. You might have to refine your prompt a bit. Okay, and then if you want to generate a video for the same prompt, you can do it. But for video generation, I would say you should use something, a bigger prompt with some idea, and then you generate the video. So this is one tool. The other tool is ideogram. Okay, so you go to ideogram, you log in with Google. Okay, so it locks in, and then you upload the same prompt. Or if you want to something instead of cow, white cow it has written, you can give black cow. You can change anything here, right? You can just ice cream cone, expressive face, full excitement. So white cow instead of that, I'll just give cow here, a black cow. So it is specifying cow means what cow? Which cow? Black cow. Let's make it a black cow and then run this here. We'll see what Leonardo is giving here. Okay. So you have seen two tools here, but more than tools, it is the slide framework that is important for content creation. Okay. So if you remember this framework, subject, lighting, intent, details, and environment, you can create any image and you can also generate videos. So let's see the what what or did I close it? No, it's coming up maybe. So this all image was generated. Oh, wonderful. See, it gave four images. Did I click four times? No, I didn't. Okay, see this. Somewhere it has given human and cow in same face. Okay, see this. Exciting, right? Just downloading this and maybe this as well. Wonderful. What images, right? So now using slide formula, you can create any artistic image with the help of these AI tools. You can also use ChatGPT, you can use Leonardo, you can use Ideogram, and you can create whatever you want. Okay. So if you want to keep on learning something like this, then you subscribe and like my video and click on the bell icon, because I'm going to give you lots of informative and helpful content that will help in your content creation journey, that will help in your AI learning journey as well. So I will tell about many tools, many things which can be used in your organization, and that will be helpful, right? Okay. So thank you so much for joining in, and stay tuned with AI Pulse. Hope you like this video. I will create another video which will be on video creation, mainly how we can create good videos using AI. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye for today. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I need to turn it off.